Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 7. In that we'll see exercise 1.5. So here it says which of the following has a positive quotient. So now see here these options are given A, B, C, D. When you divide minus 36 divided by 3 you get minus 12. So this is not positive. 42 divided by 7 is going to be 6. So this is going to be positive quotient. 36 divided by minus 3 is going to be again minus 12. So this is not. Minus 75 divided by minus 25. So that is going to be 3 because minus divided by minus becomes plus. So these both options we can write. Check whether the quotient lies between minus 19 and minus 21. So when you divide this one, you get 9. So this doesn't lie between minus 19 and minus 21. When you divide minus 100 by 5, you get minus 20. So this is yes. This is minus 18. When you divide this one, that will be minus 18. So this is no. Again, this is going to be no. So the only possibility is this one, that is B. Fine. Minus 40 divided by 10. So this is going to be minus 4. Minus 81 divided by minus 9. That is going to be 9 because minus divided by minus becomes plus. 0 divided by minus 3. This is going to be 0. 51 divided by 51. That is going to be 1. 66 divided by minus 7 is going to be minus 9. Minus 48 divided by 1 is going to be minus 48. And this 1601 divided by minus 1, that is going to be minus 1601. Because now I'll tell you the rule. Minus divided by plus also is minus, and plus divided by minus also is minus. So can you see here? Here they are given minus is here in the numerator, and this minus is in the denominator. Both ways it is going to be minus. Again here minus 1331 divided by 11 minus 11, that is going to be again here minus divided by minus, that is going to be plus, so that is going to be 121. Now here they are given here divide the top row of numbers by the numbers in the vertical column and complete the adjoining table. That is given in your textbook. So it's very easy, you can do it yourself. Subtract the quotient of 750 divided by 50 from the product of 100 into 50. So wherever you see this from, so after that whatever is there, that should be in the start. So now first thing what will you do, we'll take the product of 100 into 50, that is going to be 5000, and 750, that is the quotient of 750 divided by 50, that is going to be 15. You can divide and see. So now, as I said, after from what was that? That was the product. So product was 5000. And then you have to subtract the quotient. This quotient we got is 15. So that is going to be 4985. So only the thing you have to remember this from. If I divide my house number by 2 and then add 6, I get 24. And what is my house number? So let us consider the house number as x. So when you divide by 2 means x by 2. And then you add 6 to it. And I get 24 means the result is going to be 24. So here this is the important equation what we have to form. So this will be x by 2. This is 24 and this plus 6 will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 6. So x by 2 is 18. So x will be, this goes here, that is going to be 2 into 18. So x will be 36. The house number is 36. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 7 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 20 meters above the ground level, find the time taken by the elevator to reach minus 400 meters. So the starting point is given, that is given as starts from 20 meters. That is 20, and the final point that is given as minus 400 meters. So total distance to cover, that is going to be, you have to subtract from this one the total distance, that will be starting 20 minus of minus 400. So this will be minus and minus is going to be plus. So 20 plus 400, that is going to be 420 meters. So they have to ask for the time taken. So we have the formula, speed is equal to distance by time, and the rate means this is the speed. So that is given as 7 meter. So here you'll write 7. The distance what we got is 420 here, and we don't know the time. So when we multiply this one, this goes here, that will go in the numerator, 7 into 10, that is 420. So time is going to be 420. This will go here, that is going to get divided. So that is going to be 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So this is the answer. A multi-story building has parking floor at the basement. A lift moves at the rate of 4 meter per 15 seconds. If the lift starts coming down for a height of 40 meter, then find its position after 3 minutes. So the height is given, that is the 40 meter is given. The speed is given, that is the 4 meter per 15 seconds. And the time is given, see here, this is in meter and this is in seconds. So here the time is given in minutes. So first thing, what will you do? You will convert this also to seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 3 minutes will be, that is going to be 180 seconds. So this is the important step. So now they have given this one, the lift descends, that is the 4 meter in 15 seconds. So first we'll see how much for 1 meter, that is going to be what? 1 into 15 divided by 4. So that will be 15 divided by 4, that is going to be 3.75 seconds. So for 3.5, this one, 75 seconds for 1 minute. So here we have, that is for 180 seconds. So 180 seconds, that will be how much? So here, see here, 375 seconds in 1 meter, for 1 meter. So here we have 180 seconds, that will be how much? So here we'll cross multiply. So whenever we have two numbers, means that it goes in the numerator. So 180 into 1 is going to be 180 divided by 3.75. So now I'll show you this one because we are not using the calculator over here. So 3.75, if you're using the calculator, you can directly you can calculate 180 divided by 3.75. So here 180, for this 3.75, we can write this one as 375 divided by, these are two numbers after the decimal, so that is going to be get divided by 100. So now this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So the numerator stays as it is, that is 180, but this gets flipped over. So 100 goes in the numerator and this is by 375. So this will be 18,000 divided by 375, that is going to be 48. So now what did they ask here? They asked here the find its position after 3 minutes. So final position, that is the starting height minus the descending distance. So what was the starting height? Was given as 40 and the distance we got this as 48. So what we can do here, this is going to be, we can write this in, this as meter over here. So 40 minus 48. So this is going to be minus 48 plus 40. That is going to be minus 8 meters. So minus 8, this is in meters, that means the 8 meter, that will be, because it is negative, it goes below the ground level. If it was just positive, that will be above, and because it is this negative, so it will be below the ground level. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.